極端的高溫唔但讓咱人熱甲擋袂牢，也會讓金瓜蜂面臨生存的危機。原本講因這身軀頂是有用來擋寒誘毛，不過當着高溫煞顛倒變做負擔。若是4點鐘食無米，就可能會虛弱甲飛袂停當。
你看到金瓜蜂是一般蜜蜂的親戚，煞比蜜蜂佫較驚熱。
And what we're seeing are these really extreme temperatures being maintained for much longer and occurring more frequently. And they're not adapted to that because that's not a historical weather pattern that they have lived with.
今年英國甲歐洲一直創冠軍紀錄，這互有毛的金瓜蜂真艱難。
And they're covered with hairs because they've really evolved to deal with colder temperatures. So if you look at where bumblebees came from, they came from the sort of Tibetan Plateau, Himalayas area. If you look at where they exist today, they're most abundant in temperate, Arctic, and alpine regions.
為降溫，金瓜蜂愛米正中大日頭，會食散熱，食物件時間甲體力也對你流失。若4到6點鐘無物件食，都可能要昏去、飛袂叮當，甚至特別死亡。這時陣人用到3工。
You can get a teaspoon and put a little bit of sugar syrup, so just some sugar that you'd use on breakfast cereal, and a bit of water to dissolve it, and then hold that in front of the bee. And if it sticks its proboscis out and drinks from it, that will give it the energy to carry on with what it was doing before.
金瓜蜂啉糖水了後，短短幾分鐘內就用豆豆恢復活動。專家提醒，敢若用飼糖水免飼蜂蜜，因為蜂蜜可能帶有其他蜂群的病毒。一般蜜蜂雖然較耐熱，不過苦寒會互火甲水減少，同款攏欠食米。飼蜂的人呼籲民眾唔免將花園整理甲真清氣，保留一細塊仔自然生長的所在，等為蜜蜂留食米甲生態的所在。公視新聞林義祖報道。